really been up on my bullshit. You fucking poses can't even compare. Riders block like my fucking Vans, it just wear and tear. Mind going crazy, my delusion just causing despair. Hey, causing despair. Oh wait, I'm feeling okay, my wrist is frozen. Mind over matter, I'm just playing Russian roulette. Stick to my pellet, put a nail in the coffin, no Tom Brady. But these bullets gonna hawk at me. Switch to the DCs, I make these hoes see me. Bitch, I know you jealous, you can't ever be me. Like John Cena, you ain't never gonna see me. So tell me why your hoe got this shit playing on repeat. Yeah, got my shit playing on repeat. Got my shit playing repeat. Hey, I'll tell you why. Cause I'm about to fly on my bluebird shit up in your spot, and I'm only saying 2 words, bitch. Fuck your family and fuck your friends, it all depends. If I'ma do these fucking verses for the summer ends. My heart bleed like my pen when I'm writing these rhymes. You know I'm hot like the sun, but you know I'm gon' shine. You know I'm gon' shine. Hey, I'm feeling great, bitch, that's no debate. Might drift on these hoes like an E38. Stick shift, you niggas know I drive manual. In the back of the backseat, my homeboy Samuel. I'm in the sky like the bluebird I am, baby. Blue on my jacket and my pants is like sand. Babe on my feet, you can call me for real. Double C's, I'm not crippin', bro, that's fucking Chanel. I'm feeling shifty and you know the gang is coming with me. Might drop a 50 on the 40, know it's getting risky. I got him nervous, he just over clutching on the blicky. When it's all done, I bet you he'll turn into Mickey. Wait, really need to stop writing on these verses, man, I really need to drop. But honestly, I'm about to fly on my bluebird shit up in your spot, and I'm only saying 2 words, bitch. Fuck your family and fuck your friends, it all depends. If I'ma do these fucking verses for the summer ends. My heart bleed like my pen when I'm writing these rhymes. You know I'm hot like the sun, but you know I'm gon' shine. You know I'm gon' shine. Hey, back in the coop, bumping that Snoop. Boy, I'ma cook you for dinner like soup. Blooming at the ground, I'm a king, I need my crown. Fucking all these bitches, nah, cause that is not true. Quit that fucking sport, cause lines, I am not you. I must respect for my brother, yeah, that's on my mother. And to my mother and my sister, know I really love you. Doing my Dougie, yeah, you know the boys really stuck. Like for real, lame ass nigga steady frontin'. Walk around like a tool, but I ain't fixing nothing. Push my buttons like a tape recorder VCR. Constellations, bitch, you know that I'm a big star. 129 MPH, this ain't no NASCAR. I gotta stop cause that's all really I got so far. Hey, but I'm about to fly on my bluebird shit up in your spot, and I'm only saying 2 words, bitch. Fuck your family and fuck your friends, it all depends. If I'ma do these fucking verses for the summer ends. My heart bleed like my pen when I'm writing these rhymes. You know I'm hot like the sun, but you know I'm gon' shine. You know I'm gon' shine. I'm feeling great, bitch, that's no debate. Might drift on these hoes like an E38.